So Joshua thinks that right now I'm making a vlog. I told him I was gonna come inside and come get my camera, but really I'm here to come prank him. He thought that he would get away with getting me in the head and all that stuff. That was a long time ago. That was since last year. But don't worry, I still remember, and now I'm back to give him some revenge. So here we go.
You see the lightning?
What are you doing? Talking about Lucas?
Yeah. Those are lightning that
Oh, what you doing? FaceTiming him?
yeah.
How's that for revenge? Show the camera! you didn't see me setting this up? I was like right in your face. Let me see. Let me see.
Smells like crap. What did you do?
Look at me. Look at me. Come here over here.
Hey, no, get him away, get him away.
Alright, we'll go inside. Here.